What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another forex trading rating. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 5 female forex traders on YouTube and Instagram. Forex is a male-dominated industry and business, but nowadays, females are also occupying the forex trading industry and they are also dominating. That's why in this video I'm presenting to you guys top 5 female forex traders on YouTube and Instagram. My name is Tochieke. In case you do not know me, I will encourage you all to subscribe to my channel, like this video, click in the link in the description and join my forex trading Telegram community. Also tell me what you think about the list I will be presenting to you guys. If there is anybody you feel that is meant to be on this list but is not here, tell me about that in the comment section. And on the part 2 of this video, I will definitely get her included. Now let's get over to the video. The number 5 on our list is
What is
Candace
going on, my lovely
B.
friends? Candace B here. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, hello, hi. Glad that you are here. If you are already subscribed, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by again. I appreciate you all, each and every one of you, for watching this video today and just hanging out with me.
Candace B is a forex trader from Canada. She has been trading and she has over 40,000 subscribers on her YouTube channel with over 185 videos. Her YouTube channel is a place for educational forex related content where you can go and learn how to trade forex. Number 4 on the list is LadyTrader.
Hello my dear friends, it's me LadyTrader and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Liliana, popularly known as LadyTrader, is from Russia. She has been trading the forex industry for over 8 years and she is a binary. She has over 92,000 subscribers on her YouTube channel with over 167 videos. Her YouTube channel is a place for educational purpose regarding trading stuffs. The third person on our list, the third female forex traders, is Mazzy Harvey.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. In today's video, I'm going to go through a live trade with you guys that I took with SPX on Friday. So this past week we had a lot of news, economic data. So we had the Fed announcement and then raising the interest rates. We had a lot of earnings. We had jobless claims. So there was a lot going on in the market. I did struggle a couple of the days. So I know on Tuesday I was red. Monday I was break even. Wednesday I did not trade. And then Thursday and Friday I did pretty well. So
Mazzy Harvey, popularly known as masitrades, is the CEO and founder of masitrades. She is from United States and she has been trading the forex industry for over 6 years. Her forex journey started with $10,000 accounts, which she was able to move it from $10,000 to 6 figure. Her YouTube channel is over 70,000 subscribers. She is the third forex trader on our list, and her YouTube channel is also a place where you can go and learn how to trade forex because it's strictly for educational purpose. Before we get to the number 2 on our list, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, I will encourage you to do that. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, click the link in the description and join our forex trading Telegram community where we share free signals for people so that you will be able to learn how to trade too. Now tell me about what you think about the video on the comment section. So the number 2 on the list is HANNAHFOREX.
Ooh, exciting. 2:23 a.m. You need to manage those emotions, otherwise those emotions will control you.
HANNAHFOREX is from United Kingdom and she studied aerospace engineering. She has been trading the forex industry for over 6 years. She has over 160,000 subscribers on her YouTube channel. The aim and motive of her creating her YouTube channel then was to document his trading journey, but today is no longer just documenting the trading journey, but it has impacted on the lives of a whole lot of beginners, because her YouTube channel is a place where you can go learn how to trade the forex industry. In number 1 on the list, she's the top female forex traders on YouTube and Instagram, is KarenFoo. KarenFoo is one of the oldest female forex traders, female trader, stock trader, investor, financial. She is from Singapore and she has over 8 years of experience in the industry. She studied banking and finance, but however, I think now because she studied is no longer giving her money, because she's making most of her money from the charts. She is from Singapore and her YouTube channel has over 400,000 subscribers with over 900 videos. 900 educational videos, guys. This makes him the number 1 on our list. Her channel is a place where you can go learn how to trade forex. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced, you can also use her channel to sharpen up your trading knowledge. And this brings us to the end of this list. Tell me about that in the comment section. What do you think about all these 5 people that I just listed? Tell me about those who you think are meant to be on the list but are not here. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on your post notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video like this, you will be notified. In due time, my name is Tochi Eke. Bye for now.